What is going on, guys? Welcome to this weekly gold forecast. That's right, weekly gold forecast. No more GJ forecasts now. I'm keeping them short and sweet. I'm focusing just on gold with my own trading this year. And I'm just going to focus on gold with the forecasts as well. And guys, if you have not watched my New Year, New Me video, go and watch that, guys. So much value in there. If you are looking to seriously change your life this year and scale to new levels, make money you've never made before, travel the world, whatever you want to do, guys, you've got to have a plan and you've got to have a process to follow. And it's all in that video. I've done it year after year after year. I've crushed 7 figures with that same routine. I've crushed 6 figures. I've crushed every single goal I have set year after year after year with that video right there. Follow that framework, guys, and everything will work out. Anyway, let's jump back into the gold breakdown here. We've had a little bit of time off. It's been very nice, actually. Bit of time away from the charts, but with it being 2024 now, we're back in the game. We're ready to absolutely smash it this year. So where are we, guys? Currently, we are on the monthly time frame on gold. And for you new guys here, what's the first thing that we can see? We've got this impulse leg here on gold. And then we've got this in here, this price action. This is just noise. So all of this is just a complex pullback on the monthly time frame. Now, price has taken the liquidity off these highs here, but we haven't had a candle close on the monthly time frame yet. So we've not broken structure yet on the monthly time frame. Price tried. See, look, it closed back below. Now, if this monthly candle closed above, that would have given us more indication, right? We've broken structure. We're going to be looking for, continuations. But because we've wicked that high and closed below this level, that could be an indication the price wants to come down. So we've got the monthly low here up to the monthly high. We need a candlestick to close above, that to break structure up, and obviously we need one to close below down here, but that could take quite a while, so we're not even focusing on that right now. So knowing that, we're bullish, and prices wicked the high but failed to close above and might potentially come down. Let's jump down to the weekly time frame. So what have we got here now? We've got this impulse, retracement, impulse here. So the weekly time frame is also bullish. We've got our weekly low here. Let's mark this up as well, because this is where price came from. The previous weekly low and the monthly candlestick low. And we've got this range that price has been trading in. You can see it here. So we've got the weekly low marked out. Weekly bullish, monthly is bullish. So what we want to look at here, if we're going to buy straight up from this level, let's just adjust this so it's on that wick. We need to see price close above this level here. If we can get price closing above here, breaking structure on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, etc., then we're looking for buys straight up like this. But we need to wait. If we don't get a pullback first here, somewhere into this zone, we need to wait for those candle closes here, because it's a very strong level of resistance. And if we get candle close above, it's good time on buys. So weekly candlestick, what we're looking like here, that's going to open tomorrow. Would it be New Year's Day today? So no wick on the bottom here. So the high probability that price is going to come down, and check the liquidity off there. Now, for you guys that trade in the lower time frame, if we get price push up here, like if we push up first on this weekly candle, this new weekly candle this week, if we push up first, don't take the low from this candle here, we could see price push through this with intent and sell off somewhere into this zone down here. Now, vice versa, if price wicks this low first, at the beginning of the week, the candle open, then we can potentially see, when we see lower time frame spot mid, then we're going to look for buys. We can look for buys straight up from there. It depends where price is coming into Monday morning, pre-London. We have got a lot of news this week as well. So I'm only going to take A+ opportunities this week, because when we've got a lot of red for the news, confirmations don't play out because the moves are waiting for the news. So you'd see normal confirmations and you're like, oh shit, it's not playing out. And normally when it does that, it's because there's red for the news later in the day. So unless there's A+, it's not worth jumping in anyway. So we'll probably, if nothing ticks the boxes, we will probably just wait till next week. But looking at this, if we see price push up first and then break the low, we can see price come down. If we see it break the low here first and then wick back up, collect that liquidity, then we can see price go up to this level. If we break above this level, we're going to look to trade up. So knowing that, let's jump down onto the daily time frame right here. So you see here, look, We've got this daily candle here. We wick the high, we close below, and our price looks like it wants to come down, like we said on the weekly, but we said where to. So we've got two zones on here now. We're on the daily. We've opened the price. So zone number one, we would look to take buys from. If we see price pull back first and sell off, we would look for price to consolidate here, and then we would look for buy confirmation here. We've got a nice range look to trade up to. This is on the daily time frame as well, remember. 300-400 pips there to trade up to. Now, if price consolidates here and fails, we're going to come down to this level here. Another nice big order block, and this will be our zone where we're going to look for buys back up here. If we go on the weekly time frame, that's going to sit right in that weekly demand zone down here. So the weekly is still bullish, the monthly is still bullish. And if we saw price come down here, we would need a daily candle close, the close below here, to break the daily structure. Now, if we get daily candles coming down here and we wick into here like this, that's not daily breaker structure because we haven't got a candle close. So if we see the daily come down, we've filled this imbalance here. And we see it on the lower time frames of 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes of confirmation. This is a very high probable zone, the best zone in this situation to look to take buys and continuation. So if price comes in there, boom. If not, and we get it here, we'll take that as well because we don't know which zone the price is going to reverse from. So knowing that, let's jump down onto the 4 hour. What have we got here? Okay, interest in our opening price up. So these are our daily zones, remember, that we marked up. We'll just move them out the way a second so we can see. So there's a lot more going on here. So if we look here, 4 hour, we've got a 4 hour breaker structure now. We've got a 4 hour fake out there. Look, nice sell opportunity there, whenever that was. I'll be looking at the charts, 23rd of December. Now price is coming back down. So if we look at the daily low is coming from down here, this zone here. Go back onto the 4 hour. And then we look at this imbalance here, mitigated that imbalance. Very nice. So looking at this, it's not super clean. If we look back at our daily zones, I mean, we have got a zone there that we can look at taking. So if we get price coming down here, look, and we get confirmation in here, then we can look to buy up back to this high here. And if that level fails, obviously this zone here that we marked up on the daily, look at this beautiful zone here to come down in. That's what I want to see. I want to see a full correction here, and then we'd look to take buys. Because this on the 4 hour, it's a little bit choppy. You know, there's no like amazing zones. This one is okay. The price is currently sitting in, but you see it's rejected. The rejection wasn't very good. And then, you know, it's consolidating there. So chances are it's going to break through and continue. So this is the next zone we can look at. All these are mitigated down here. So this really is the next zone it can come to. If it fails that, then chances are it's going to come somewhere down here. And it'll probably consolidate here as well, because this is got support here as well. And then push into there and then reverse. We're just going to see what price action does next week. 1 hour, let's see if it's a little bit cleaner and clearer. Nice sell here, actually. Look, we had the Asia there. If this was live market conditions, I would take a sell right there, right now. Obviously, it's not, because the market's closed. You see here, look, we've got 1 hour breaker structure down. Got a retest here. Filled high, right on the Asia low there. TP1, little 1-to-1 just about. And that's what we'd aim for. Then we look, if that broke, then obviously we'd look to take price down here. But if we look down now, we've got some order blocks down here. Look, we've got one there. Good little chance of rejection. Buys up. So we could look in there. Another one here. And then it'd just be a case of just waiting. We've just been waiting, guys, for price to get where we need to get. And that's why I say, like, this here, it's not looking the best, really. We could look to take some 1 hour or 30-minute sells. Like, if we get this confirmation. Like here, look, I'd take this, for example, we get TP1. Obviously there, we could take the TP1 because that's the range. You see the range here? Obviously we get in here and then the range is what, 50 pips? So we could take profit of 50 pips there. We'll be in and out trades like this. So, you know, we're not looking to swing big moves. We're just looking to trade the ranges with confirmation. But as I say, it's Monday, it's bank holiday. We need to wait for a price to open tomorrow, settle, and just wait to see what price sets up and what price gives us. So that's it, guys. That's it for this weekly forecast for gold. We've got reversal pattern here. So higher time frame, as I say, I'm looking for price to come down first here. I'm just going to wait for buyers. And if I take sells on the lower time frame, as I say, it's going to be like this kind of sell. I'm not looking to hold it for any substantial amount of time. It's looking to get in there with my confirmation, bang, take profit there. That's it. Take profit there. Boom. The chances are it'll get here, it'll fuck around, it might turn around here and go back up. And so you just got to be careful. You know, when the higher time frame's bullish and we've got the war and stuff on, and you know, gold keeps shooting up and then going down, it's just better to get in, take profit at your target, and that's it. So, guys, jumping back on the live tomorrow. Super excited to get on. Super excited to smash it this year. It's gonna be a big year. Make sure your challenges are loaded up. Everybody in the Discord, make sure you've got all your shit ready because we are gonna kill it. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of your bank holiday, New Year's Day. Happy New Year, and I will see you on the live tomorrow. Bosh! Oh, and if you're not in the Discord, you need to get in. You see these coupons here, guys? You see these coupons here, these Christmas coupons? You guys missed out. You guys missed out on these coupons. But the prices, I'm still not putting the prices up yet. I'm just removing the coupons because I've got some adjustments to make for the next couple of days. As I say, you can get in the results section here. Come check out all these sick results, automated profit and passing and payout. And we're just getting started. Guys, big shit is coming next year. So that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bosh.